This video will guide you through reviewing a purchase and sale agreement. Purchase and sale agreement review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since buyers and sellers want to understand the terms before signing the contract. If you have received a purchase and sale agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a purchase and sale agreement, key terms to find and understand in your agreement, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for purchase and sale agreements. Purchase and sale agreements are legally binding documents that outline the transaction terms between buyer and seller. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Property and assets. Clearly identify what is being bought or sold, including any specific assets, fixtures, or inventory involved in the transaction. Purchase price. Ensure the purchase price is clearly stated and agreed upon by both parties. Understand any adjustments that may apply. Payment terms. Define how and when payment will be made, including any deposits, down payments, or financing arrangements. Compliance with laws. The agreement must comply with relevant state and local laws governing real estate or business asset transactions. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a purchase and sale agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Purchase and sale agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the buyer and seller are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the businesses or individuals are used. 2. Property description. Review the section that provides a detailed description of the property or assets being transferred. This should match any previous agreements or listings. 3. Purchase price and adjustments. Review the section that specifies the purchase price, including any adjustments, prorations, or allocations for taxes and expenses. 4. Contingencies. Look for any contingencies that must be satisfied before the transaction can proceed, such as financing approval, inspections, or due diligence periods. 5. Closing date. Understand the scheduled closing date and any conditions that must be met beforehand. 6. Representations and warranties. Review the representations and warranties made by both parties. Ensure you understand any guarantees about the condition of the property or assets. 7. Indemnification. Understand the indemnification clauses, which outline responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages resulting from the transaction. And 8. Default and termination. Review the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any penalties or consequences of default. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your purchase and sale agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a purchase and sale agreement is $330 on a flat fee basis. This is based on 25 recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a purchase and sale agreement is crucial in ensuring you protect your rights and establish a successful transaction. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.